Number 1. The poet most likely wrote this poem to A. Tell what Christmas was like. B. Show how the reindeer learned to fly. C. Describe all the activities that take place on the eve of Christmas. D. Provide information about winter months. Number 2. Which word best describes the feeling that the poet creates in this poem? A. Excitement. B. Curious. C. Anger. D. Worry. Number 3. Lines 42 through 44 are included in the poem because it appeals to the sense of A. Smell. B. Hearing. C. Sight. D. Feeling. Number 4. Read line 9 from the poem. When out on the lawn there arose such a clatter. The poet includes the line most likely to show that A. The yard men are cutting the grass. B. The reindeer were landing and making noises. C. The reindeer was tired from flying. D. The grass was growing so fast. Number 5. What's the main message of the poem? A. It is important to believe in Santa Claus. B. Holiday magic is special. C. Christmas is the best holiday. D. It is difficult to be Santa. Number 6. Lines 37 through 40 are included in the poem because they A. Explain how Santa got his beard. B. Give examples of things Santa does on Christmas Eve. C. Tell what Santa looks like. D. List ways Santa gets ready for his trip. Number 7. Lines 49 through 52 are important to the poem because they show A. When Santa leaves. B. How Santa feels. C. How Santa does his work and leaves. D. How Santa enters a house. Number 8. The poet titled this poem, "'Twas the Night Before Christmas," most likely because A. The poem describes all the things that happen on the night before Christmas. B. The elves are getting ready. C. The reindeer are flying. D. The poem describes all the places Santa lives. Make sure you've checked over all of your work and proven your answers before you turn it in.